Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Math JEE Academy. So today I am going to discuss with you very interesting problem. I had a JEE main question. You can see the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to the maximum of mod x into mod x minus 2 with the x-axis and line x equal to minus 2 which is parallel to the y-axis, right? And x is equal to 4, that is also parallel to y-axis, right? Okay, then first let us understand the graph of y is equal to maximum of these two functions, right? What are the two functions here? Mod x and x into mod x minus 2. So the first observation you can see the mod x is breaking point here is what? X is equal to 0. The first observation is what? Mod x is the breaking point is what? Breaking point. So you can say x is equal to 0. And second one you can see mod x minus 2. What is the breaking point? Breaking point x minus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to 2. We found the two breaking points, right? Next you have to find out any other breaking point is available or not. How to check it? You first equating these two graphs where these two curves are intersecting, first you find out, right? Next thing is you have to equate this one, mod x and x into mod x minus 2, you can equate it. Squaring on both sides, what will get? Mod x square is equal to x square into mod x minus 2 whole square. You know that mod x square is equal to x square, right? You can use this here. So mod x square, you can write x square into mod x minus 2 whole square is same as x minus 2 whole square. Clear? So then x square cancel. Then what is left? So 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So x minus 2 is equal to plus 1 or minus 1, right? So you can find out x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 1 plus 2 is what? 1. These are the breaking point. Two more breaking point we found, right? So therefore the breaking point, just you put it in the number line. So what is the breaking point here? So we just found it 0 first. You can see 0 and then 1, then 2 already is there, right? 2 and 3. But you have to integrating the curve under the curve from x is equal to minus 2 to 4. So you have to include it from minus 2 to 4, right? So you have to whole real interval, you can see minus 2 to 4, you have to break into minus 2 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, you have to check it, the behavior of the functions, right? Okay. So let me take another page. First you can break the points. Here is minus 2, here is plus 4, here is minus 2 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, right? So first one you can see, student, x is minus 2 to 0 you can take. In this interval you have to find the maximum of mod x and x into mod x minus 2 you have to find out. You can see in this interval definitely mod x is negative, mod x equal to minus x, because x is negative means mod x definition is what? Minus x. This is the first observation. Second one you can see x into mod x minus 2 you have to check. You can add minus 2, what will get? If you add minus 2 means minus 4, there will be minus 2. So definitely x minus 2 is negative. So in this case x minus 2 is negative means in this interval, then so mod x minus 2, how to write? Minus of x minus 2. You already know this, right? So this is same as 2 minus x, right? Therefore x into mod x minus 2, how to write? X into 2 minus x, we can write 2x minus x square. Okay. So now how to find the maximum of these two functions? Which function is the maximum? How to check it here? So you can check any one number. Let's take -1, put here, put x equal to -1. So then the first one will be minus of -1, 1, and second one will be, so 2 into -1, so minus of -1 whole square, this is -2, this is -1, it is -3, okay. So definitely this would be negative. So which is the maximum, mod x or x into mod x minus 2, which one is maximum here? So definitely the first function mod x is the maximum. Clear? Okay, so therefore the maximum of mod x and x into mod x minus 2, if I take, this will be mod x is the maximum, right? Because here is 1 is coming, here is -3. Clear? Fine. Second one you can take. Second one you can see. Second one. Which interval you have to take? X is 0 to 1 you have to take. So definitely mod x is equal to x because positive. X is positive. This is first one. Second one you can see x into mod x minus 2 you have to check. X minus 2 is positive or negative? Add -2 on both sides here in the interval 0 to 1. So definitely it will be negative. X minus 2 here is negative. Therefore, x into mod x minus 2, how to write? X into, so x minus 2 is negative, means mod x minus 2, how to write? Minus of x minus 2, that is 2 minus x, right? So this is same as 2x minus x square. Now which number you can take? Let us take 0.5, 1 by 2 you can take. Put x is equal to 1 by 2 you can take. So definitely mod x equal to, it is 1 by 2 because x is 1 by 2. This is first one. Second one observation you can see, 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square. This is 2 cancel, 1 minus 1 by 4. It is 4 minus 1, it is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 it is 0.75, that is 1 by 2 0.5. So which is the maximum here? 3 by 4 is the maximum here, right? Otherwise you can multiply by 2, divide by 2, it will be 3 by 4 here. Here, sorry, 2 by 4, right? So 2 by 4, this is 3 by 4. Which is the bigger one? 3 by 4 is bigger. Therefore, we can say the maximum of mod x and x into mod x minus 2 will be, so what is the maximum? X into mod x minus 2. Clear? I hope everyone understood, right? Let's check the third one. I'll take another page. Third one you can check quickly. So third one we have to take from 1 to 2, right? You can see 1 to 2 only you have to take, no? Yes. So 1 to 2, definitely mod x is what? X is positive, mod x equal to x. Clear? Okay, then this is first one. Second one, x into mod x minus 2 you have to check. So you can add -2, definitely it will be negative. X minus 2 is negative. So therefore x into, this is how to write, 2 minus x, right? Mod x minus 2 already we defined, right? 2 minus x, 2x minus x square. So now you can take 3 by 2 you can take. X equal to 3 by 2 you can take. So definitely the first one is mod x equal to 3 by 2. Second one is 2 into 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 whole square, right? So you can do it here. 2 cancel, 3 minus 3 square, 9 by 4. It is 12 minus 9 by 4. So that is 3 by 4, right? 3 by 4, this is 3 by 2 is there, right? Correct? So you can multiply 2, divide by 2, what is that? 6 by 4, here is 3 by 4. Which is larger here? Definitely mod x is larger. Therefore, the maximum of mod x and x into mod x minus 2, which is the maximum here? Mod x. Same way, you have to check. Next case is fourth one, you have to check 2 to 3 you have to take. In this interval, mod x definitely x, because x is positive, right? Then second function is what? X into mod x minus 2. You can add minus 2 on both sides, definitely 0 to 1. So definitely positive. So here x minus 2 is greater than 0. Then x into mod x minus 2, how to write? X into, if x minus 2 is positive, mod x minus 2, how to write? X minus 2 only, right? Therefore x square minus 2x. So now you can take 2 to 3, any one number. Let us take 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is what? 2.5, right? Let us take x is equal to 5 by 2. So the first one, mod x equal to x, here is 5 by 2. Second one, x square minus 2x. Just you can apply 5 by 2 whole square minus 2 into 5 by 2. Just what will get? It's 25 by 4 minus 10. Sorry, 2 to cancel, no? So you can take 5. So 25 minus 20 divided by 4, right? It is 5 by 4. This is 5 by 2, this is 5 by 4. So which is larger here? Otherwise, you do one thing, you can multiply 2 and divide by 2, it will be 10 by 4. This is 5 by 4. Again, 2 to 3 also, the mod x is the largest, right? So therefore, the maximum of, so mod x and x times mod x minus 2, the maximum here is mod x. Understood? Let's check next one. Fourth one, you can see 3 to 4, last one you have to define, 2 to 3, next is 3 to 4 you have to take. X is 3 to 4 you can take, definitely mod x is what? X. X is positive, definitely mod x is x. Okay, then x times mod x minus 2, you can check quickly. If you add minus 2 on both sides, definitely x minus 2 is positive. X minus 2 greater than 0. Understood? Therefore, x times mod x minus 2, how to write? X into x minus 2, same as x square minus 2x. Clear? Let us take one simple number. Let's take 3.5, that is 7 by 2, right? Let us take x is equal to 7 by 2 you can take. In this interval, let's take first one is mod x equal to 7 by 2, there's no issue. Second one you can see 7 by 2 whole square minus 2 into 7 by 2 you can substitute, it is 49 by 4 minus, this is 2, correct? Cancel, then what will get actually, so 49 minus 28 by 4, this is 21 by 4, right? 21, it is 49, yes, correct. So 21 by 4, better you can do one thing, you can multiply 2 and divide by 2, it is 14 by 4. 14 by 4, this is 21 by 4, which is larger here? Second function is larger. Second function is what? X into mod x minus 2 is larger. Therefore, the maximum of here mod x and x times mod x minus 2 in this interval is x into mod x minus 2. Okay. Now you have to redefine the whole function, right? How to define f of x? This is y, right? The maximum of mod x and x into x minus 2, how to write? So tell me, student. First you can take minus 2 to 0. In this interval, which is the maximum? So the minus 2 to 0, the maximum here is what? I didn't write here. So maximum you can see. So which is the maximum? Mod x is the maximum, written here. Okay, mod x. Fine. Then next is 0 to 1 you can take. In this interval, which is the maximum? 0 to 1, maximum is x into mod x minus 2. X into mod x minus 2. Okay. Then 1 to 2 you can take. You can see 1 to 2, maximum is mod x The same way 2 to 3 also maximum here is what? Mod x only. Therefore 1 to 3 we can write 1 to 3 instead of 1 to 2, 1 to 3 you can write this is mod x. Then 3 to 4 you can take, here is maximum is what? X into mod x minus 2, clear? Okay, fine, this is your function. Now you have to redefine again, because mod x is there, you have to check the input values here. Based on the input, you have to redefine this. Okay. So now tell me, student, quickly, minus 2 to 0, mod x is what? X is negative means mod x is minus x, right? Minus x, good. Then 0 to 1 you can take. 0 to 1. You know that x minus 2 here is what? 0 to 1 is negative. Therefore, we can write x into 2 minus x. This is same as 2x minus x square, right? Okay. So, next you can check 1 to 3 you can take. So, definitely x is positive completely. Therefore, mod x is x. Then 3 to 4 you can take. 3 to 4 is, you know, if you add minus 2 on both sides, definitely mod x minus 2 is what? X minus 2 only, because positive. Therefore, x into x minus 2, it is same as x square minus 2x. Clear? This is your redefined function. Let's draw the graph of this. You can see the graph quickly. Let's draw the graph quickly. So, okay. Here is minus 2, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Minus 2 to 0. So, y is equal to minus x, you can see. When you take this one, minus 2 you can substitute here, minimum value you can substitute, you will get 2. You can attain the maximum here is 2, right? So, therefore, minus 2 to 0, y is equal to minus x, right? Here 1, here is 2 you can take, right? This is your graph. Okay. Next 0 to 1, 1 to 3, then 3 to 4 you can take. 0 to 1 you can see the graph will be minus x square plus 2x. You can see the maximum attained graph of this is 1, right? Understood? It is downward parabola, right? So, therefore, if I put 0, 0 only. If you put 1 here, you will get 1. The maximum will be 1. So, the parabola will be like this. Okay, downwards, right? Then 1 to 3, if I put 1 here 1, 3 here 3. So, y is equal to x, 1 means 1 and 3 means 3. So, you can see here 3. Let's take here up to this. This is your function. Okay. Next 3 to 4 you can see 3 to 4 is again it's a parabola. It is upward parabola because A is positive, right? It's upward parabola. If you put 3 here, so minimum here is what? 3 square minus 2 into 3, it is 9 minus 6, it is so 3, right? If I put 4 here, 4 square minus 2 into 4, it is 16 minus 8, it is 8. 3 and 8 is the possibilities. 3 here 3 and 8 means here somewhere here. So, the graph will be like this. Okay, this is your graph. Now, you have to integrate up to 4, right? So, you had to here minus 2 to 4 you have to do it, right? So, area under the curve you have to find out. This area you have to find out, right? Area under the curve. Okay. Area under this curve. How to do it? Just you can integrate quickly. Minus 2 to 0, y is equal to minus x into dx plus 0 to 1. What is the curve? Y is equal, what is the curve here? You can see the second curve is what? 2x minus x square, right? 2x minus x square under the curve, right? Into dx plus 1 to 3 you can see y is equal to x dx, and then 3 to 4 you can do it. 3 to 4, what is the curve actually? X square minus 2x into dx. Clear? X square minus 2x. Yes, good. Now you can integrate quickly. What is that? You can see minus is there. What you can do, just you can interchange the limit. You can remove the minus here. So 0 to minus 2 x into dx we can write. I'll remove this one. Okay. So what we can do here, we have to remove this one. Yes, so you have to remove it. Just I put plus. Here is minus 2 to 0 means 0 to minus 2 you can write. Clear? Because you can interchange the limit, you can remove the minus sign, right? Okay, then here directly you can integrate x square by 2, 0 to minus 2, plus here is you can integrate directly 2x into dx is what? X square by 2 minus x cube by 3, upper limit, lower limit you can apply, plus this is x square by 2, 1 to 3, here is x cube by 3 minus 2 into x square by 2. Clear? 3 to 4 you can do. Now you can simplify this. So minus 2 square is what? 4 by 2. So minus 2 square is what? 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So 2 only left. Plus here you can apply this 2 to cancel. If you apply upper limit 1 minus 1 by 3 minus the lower limit anyway 0, plus apply the upper limit 3 square by 2 minus 1 by 2, 3 square by 2, 1 square by 2. Yes, good. So here 4 cube by 3 minus this is cancel 4 square, upper function, upper limit applied. Now you can minus the lower limit 3 cube by 3 minus 3 square. Okay. Now you can see, student, quickly, this is 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 is what? 3 minus 1, it is 2 by 3, plus this is 9 by 2, 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2, plus this is 4 cube is 64 by 3 minus 16 minus this 1 3 1 3 cancel, 3 square minus 3 square, it will be 0, right? So anyway it will be 0, right? Okay, now you have to simplify this quickly. So 2 plus, okay, 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 9 minus 1, 8 by 2, okay, so plus 64 minus 48, right? Yes, 48 by 3, that's all, right? So what is there here? 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 8 by 2 plus this is, you can see 64 minus 48, 16, I think, right? 48, yes, correct, 16, right? 16 by 3. Now you can calculate quickly. So you can take the LCMs 3. So 3 you can take or 6 you can take. Better you can take 6, right? 6 you can take. So you multiply by 6 means 12, plus you can multiply by 2. 2 into 2 it's 4. Here is you have to multiply by 3, 24, plus you have to multiply by 2, 32, right? So you can see 32 plus 24, how much it will be? 656. 56 plus 16, 72, right? 72, right? 72 by 6, what's your answer? 12 square units, your answer. I hope everyone understood. Just you have to split the function, find the piecewise, right? Find the piecewise functions, right? You have to split it, right? How to split it? You find the, you have to break the interval and choose the maximum of these two functions, mod x and x into mod x minus 2. I hope everyone understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Math JEE Academy. You can find n number of videos coming days. I will teach you many tricks. You can watch my daily, so shorts will be available. You can watch my channel in the Instagram also. Okay, I hope everyone understood. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.